Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Coder Anshu. If you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons. Today I will show you how to make a loading buttons. So now let's start. First of all, we have to create a button.html file I have already created. So for in the body section, I just write a h2 tag loading buttons. Now go to the live server. You can see for the style sets I want a style set for the font icons. So I go to the browser. You can see I have already opened the basic icons, font awesome icons. You just copy the link here and paste inside the HTML file. Now in the body section I have created 3 buttons. Inside the button I give the class name button load. Now I give the same class name remaining 2 buttons. Now refresh my page. You can see 3 buttons are created. Inside the button I give the icon of the spine. So I write I tag. Inside the I give it class far spiner spine. You can see the icon is created. I also write something. You can see here. Now I give another I button, I tag. Inside the I tag I give the class name. It's far circle notch spine. You can see the other loading circles are created. Now create one more. Now one more loading buttons are created. Now we have to do a style part. So go to the style part. I just write the style part in the original file. Inside the style, I access the button load. You can see here, I access the button load. Just copy and paste here. I give a background color. That is the background color is blue. Or have to change the background color to something like dark blue. No, it's not look good. Okay, I will change the color. Right. Now it's look good. I also give her some padding. So it's 12 pixel or 12 pixel. You can see. Now I also give the font size. So I give a font size is 14 pixel. Now I'm going to access the class of FA. So right here, FA, margin left is -12 pixel and margin right is 8 pixel. So you can see this is the loading buttons, how we created loading buttons by using HTML and CSS. So thank you very much for watching my video.